this is
Alfie the elf.
And today we are going to make Marshmallow Reindeer. So you will need curly whirlies. It's Smarties.
Smarties.
White marshmallow.
And then marshmallow ice.
Chocolate.
Chocolate and it's dairy milk.
And a bowl. And a microwave.
Yes.
And your hands.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our milk chocolate and we're going to open it.
It's dairy milk, just to say. And
Open
it's chocolate. Okay.
And break it up into the bowl.
Okay.
No eating it.
Break it up into my mouth.
Okay.
Elfie.
So we have some chocolate.
Put it in
Elfie.
here so they can see.
Oh, can you? I'll do 2, and then you break it, and there we go. Because I can break.
You might need more than one, but my mum's stingy. Then we're going to go to the microwave and melt it. 30 seconds we've just microwaved that for.
Yeah.
And we're just going to see if it's melted and mix it just to melt it a bit more. But we're going to need another chocolate bar. Go get another chocolate bar. Where's Alfie gone? Okay, so 60 seconds did this, and then we're going to just put some more in so we can make more than one.
Can I open it?
Yeah.
Okay, so. Mixing the chocolate.
Oh, is it? Mix the chocolate to make sure it's melted. Okay, so now we'll get the marshmallow.
Can I open it?
Get white ones.
One white one.
Yeah.
Another one.
Yeah, for you. Look, that's your plate. I suppose you could do the pink ones because you're not going to see them.
I want
Grandma
a
if she wants.
pink and one.
Yeah.
What trouble is?
Ask Grandma if she wants one.
Scratch the floor so much.
No, she's there.
Oh, Grandma, do you want one? Of the
like?
I like
one. You'll have a pink one.
Another whatever. We're gonna make them into reindeers.
So,
Marshmallows.
we've stabbed your marshmallow with a cocktail stick. You watching? And then you want to twist it round in the chocolate so it's the marshmallow is covered. Just need to get that.
Can you do mine?
You can do it. Look.
I done a mistake.
That's alright.
Then
Put it back on your plate.
can you do it?
Yeah.
Okay, show me it.
Yeah, but wait, look, we're going to just, because we didn't cover around the stick, we're just going to do that. That's it, all the way, round, round, round. So then we move the chocolate out of the way a minute.
What's gonna be the mouth?
It's not having one. These are your 2 marshmallows. You can take off the sticks now.
Okay.
Then we get a curly whirly and open it.
Okay.
You should have worn your elf outfit.
I don't want to take it anyway. So we have
Put that in
big
the rubbish.
curly whirlies, just to say, and we
Put that in the rubbish, come on. Then just break a little bit off.
okay.
Break a bit off.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. And then break it in half.
Can you?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's it, you can keep that bit. Don't eat it. Stick them in your marshmallow.
Can you do mine?
No, you do it.
Okay.
They might be a bit too big, so you might have to cut it.
Can I just lick that bit off?
Yeah, because that's yours. You can do what you want.
Okay. Can you do it?
Stick it in. Look, I might do that one like that because that is. Perfect. Okay, then we use the curly whirly for later. But obviously you can see the bigger the
What
curly
about the other one on the inside out?
the longer the curly whirly is, the harder it. I'm getting you it in. Now we're going to open the Smarties and find red ones, because woohoo! There's 2 in a pack. Really good, Mum. Then we stick this on the front of it to be its nose. 3, we found 3. Get your 2 reds out, 1 more red out, Al.
Yeah, and I can go.
Like so. Then you get 2 eyes. So 4. And stick your eyes on your reindeer.
Okay. There we go.
Just make sure like your antlers are in well. There you go. Then we put them in the fridge to dry, to set.
Who's got this? Yours?
Yeah.
So have you? Can I eat?
This is them. Yes, you can eat.
What she's doing.
How did she even go? Hi, we finished our reindeers. So we have these reindeers. We got red, we got blue, we got black, brown, we got pink, we got another red, we got some yellow, we got some orange, we got some more red and some green on the plate.
And how did they taste?
They taste really good, so
What was it? Totally
amazing. And I'm wearing a Christmas hat.
up a minute.
It's my elf hat. I work as an elf. And it's because it's Christmas. Can you see the twinkly bells? Here
Yeah.
we go.
We can see it.
Can you hear it?
Yes.
Good.
Anyway, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up.
Yep, if you didn't like it, put a thumbs
No thumbs down.
No.
And if you're gonna make it, oh, do you like marshmallows? Would you make it? They taste so good.
Yeah, and you put some, there's melting chocolate. Do you like melting chocolate? And it's dairy milk. And do you like curly whirlies for the reindeers?
Yeah.
And
Now just say thanks for watching.
thanks for watching. Bye.